Welcome to our channel. Today we explore the extraordinary journey of Mahatma Gandhi, the man who led India to independence and inspired millions across the globe. Let's dive into the life of this great leader. Chapter 1. Early life, 1869 to 1888. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, later known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was a chief minister, and his mother, Putlibai, was deeply religious. As a child, Gandhi was shy, honest, and curious. He showed early signs of a strong moral compass. At the young age of 13, Gandhi was married to Kasturba Gandhi in an arranged marriage. Despite their youth, Kasturba would become a lifelong companion and supporter of his mission. Chapter 2. Education in London, 1888 to 1891. In 1888, Gandhi sailed to London to study law at the Inner Temple. Adjusting to British customs was challenging, but Gandhi stayed true to his values, especially vegetarianism. During this time, he read extensively, including the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, and works by Tolstoy and John Ruskin. These texts greatly influenced his philosophy of life. Chapter 3. South Africa and the birth of Satyagraha, 1893 to 1914. In 1893, Gandhi moved to South Africa for a legal case. It was here that he faced racial discrimination for the first time. The infamous incident where he was thrown out of a first-class train compartment marked a turning point in his life. Gandhi decided to fight injustice. In South Africa, Gandhi developed the concept of Satyagraha, meaning truth force. This philosophy of nonviolent resistance became the cornerstone of his movements. He also established the Phoenix Settlement, a communal living experiment based on simplicity and equality. Chapter 4. Return to India and the Freedom Struggle, 1915 to 1947. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India and began understanding the struggles of the Indian people under British rule. His first major movement was the Champaran Satyagraha in 1917, where he fought for the rights of indigo farmers against oppressive British landlords. Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement in 1920, urging Indians to boycott British goods, schools, and institutions. He popularized khadi, or hand-spun cloth, as a symbol of self-reliance. His belief in non-violence and truth earned him the title of Mahatma, meaning great soul. In 1930, Gandhi led the historic Salt March, a 240-mile walk to defy the British monopoly on salt. This peaceful protest inspired millions and gained international attention. Chapter 5. Partition and Independence, 1947. After decades of struggle, India gained independence on August 15, 1947, but it came at the cost of partition. Gandhi was deeply pained by the violence between Hindus and Muslims. He worked tirelessly to restore peace, often fasting as a means to bring communities together. Chapter 6. Assassination and Legacy, 1948. On January 30, 1948, Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse during his evening prayers. His last words were reportedly, "Hey Ram." His death shocked the world, but his teachings live on. Gandhi's philosophy of nonviolence inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the globe. His legacy reminds us that love, truth, and peace are the most powerful weapons against injustice. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. What part of Gandhi's life inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below.